Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to install mobile order taking app. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. So first, open a browser on your Android tablet. So go to this website, so click this. So click this download. So click this download anyway. Then click this download. Then, as you can see, our MOT is running. So we will wait for this. Then, after that, click this install. Then click this open. So we're already here. BitPOS order taking. So it's license key verification failed. So tap OK. So message has been sent. I wait the approval of tap OK. To continue, so tap OK. And they have a machine serial. So send a screenshot of the machine serial to the IT assigned so that you can log in your account name, your login username, and your password. So once you send a screenshot of the machine serial to the IT department and they provided access, you can log in into your mobile order checking app. So you can log in your account name, your login username, and your password. So like for example, for your account name is Tindahan 9910 and your login username is admin and your password. So and this is and you can click this login and tap OK. So this is the process on how to install mobile order checking app.